Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how to transfer ownership of a Telegram group. So without any delay, let's get into it. First, open your Telegram application and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, here for example you can see the groups that I have created. Now tap on the group to open it. Next, tap on the group profile and click the edit icon. Now scroll down and select administrators. Then tap add admin and choose the person you want to transfer ownership to. Then tap the check mark icon. Now that the other user is an admin in this group, you can leave this group. The ownership will automatically transfer to that person. That's easy, right? Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.